Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the exercise 5.3. So today we are going to discuss inequalities in a triangles. In that there are three theorems are there. So what is say the theorem number 1? Let us see it. So what is that? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, you can take any triangle. In the triangles, any two sides are unequal. The angle opposite to longer side is larger. That means, see students, so I will draw one of the triangle. In that A, B and C. Here AB is less than AC, correct? This side and AB side and AC sides are unequal. So AB and AC are unequal sides. Okay, unequal sides. In that, which side is a bigger side or longer side? AC is a longer. I consider AC is longer or AC is greater than AB. Okay, so AB, what is the opposite angle? C. What is the AC opposite angle? Angle B. So that one you have to identify that. So AB opposite, which is the opposite of AB? Angle C. Which is the opposite of AC? Angle B. So in that, what is it says the theorem? What is the statement? If two sides of a triangle are unequal. So here AB and AC are unequal. Here AC is greater than AB. Okay. In that, the angle opposite to longer side is larger angle. So that means, so what is the opposite AC? What is the opposite of AC angle? Yes, angle B. So angle B is greater than AB opposite, which is the AP opposite angle? Angle C. For example, this is 5 cm, this is 10 cm. You have to consider it. So opposite of AB is angle C, opposite of AC is angle B. In that, angle B and angle C, which is the greater angle? Angle B is greater than angle C, because opposite of B is AC. So here a bigger side, AC is a bigger side. So what is the opposite, bigger side opposite angle is angle B. So opposite of the bigger angles is greater than the opposite of the smaller side angle. Correct? That is the statement. So in that, in any triangle you have to take, in that any two sides are unequal. So which is the bigger side or longer side opposite angles is a larger. So which is a smaller side opposite angles is a smaller angles. That's why AC is greater than AB. I will consider AC is greater than AB. AC opposite is angle B. AP opposite is angle C. Therefore, angle B is greater than angle C. So I will take another example. Here A, B and C. I will consider AB and BC. Here AB is greater than BC. Yes, AB is greater than BC. In that, what is the opposite of AB angle? AB is opposite of angle C, and that BC opposite which is angle A. So in that A and C, which is the greater and which is the smaller? So first, which side is longer? AB is a longer. So what is the opposite angle of AB? Yes, angle C. Therefore, angle C is greater than BC opposite angle A. Therefore, angle C is greater than angle A. Understand? So this is the meaning of the statement. Understand? So next one, I will go to the next theorem number 2. So what is theorem number 2? If any triangle, the sides opposite to the larger angle is longer. Ulta. See, ABC is one of the triangle. In that, angle B is greater than angle C. So what does they say? See, theorem number 2. If any triangle, you can take any triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. So here In that previous theorem, previous statement, unequal sides we have to consider it. Here, unequal angles we have to consider it. Okay. So in that, angle B is greater than angle C. I will consider angle B is greater than angle C. In that, the side of the angle opposite to larger and longer side is a larger. Here, the angle opposite. Here, side opposite. Okay, side opposite to larger angle is a longer. So, which angle is a greater? Angle B is greater than angle C. I will consider B and C. Okay. In that, if they consider the angle B and angle C, so angle B is greater than angle C. What is the opposite side of the bigger angle? So, what is the side? AC of greater than. So, angle B opposite side is AC. Angle C opposite side is AB side. AB is opposite of angle C. AC is opposite of angle B. In that, angle B and angle C is an unequal side, unequal angles. In that, angle B is greater than angle C. So, the opposite sides of angle B is what? AC. So, AC is greater than opposite sides of angle C is AB. So, therefore, AC is greater than AB because AC opposite angle is B. Angle B is greater than angle C. Therefore, opposite of angle B is AC. Opposite sides of angle C is AB. Therefore, when angle B is greater than angle C, then automatically AC is greater than AB. Understand, students? Otherwise, you have to consider this one and this one. When angle A is greater than angle B, suppose. When angle A is greater than angle B, suppose. So, what is the opposite sides of angle A? Angle A opposite sides is BC. Correct? So, BC. And opposite angle of B, opposite side of angle B, yes, AC. So, which angle is a greater? Angle A is greater than angle B. So, opposite sides of angle A is BC. Therefore, BC is greater than opposite sides of angle B, AC. Therefore, BC is greater than AC. Understand, students? So, like this is the meaning of the statement of theorem number 2. This is the inequalities of a triangle. So, here in the first statement, sides are unequal. Inequalities means unequal. Correct? And here in the second statement, the angles are unequal. If the sides are unequal, which side is the bigger side? The opposite of the bigger side angle is bigger than the smaller side. Opposite of the smaller angle side. Correct? So, in the second statement, side opposite to the larger angle is longer. So, in that means, if you have to take any two angles, if the two angles are unequal, so which angles is a greater? The opposite side must be a longer, and which angle is a smaller? The opposite sides is a smaller. So that is the statement of 1 and 2. Okay. So shall we go to the statement number 3? Yes. Statement number 3. What is the statement number 3? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side of a triangle. So these three statements, it will come in the 8th standard. Correct? This year also it will come in. So theorem number 3, what is say that the sum of any two sides of a triangle. So I will draw the one of the triangle, that is A, B and C. Yes. A, B and C. In that, you can take any two sides. Here AB, BC and CA. There are three sides are there. AB, BC and CA. So in that, three sides are unequal or equal, no problem. You can take anyone. So AB, BC, CA. In these sides of a triangle, we can take any two sides of the triangle. That two sides become a sum. You have to do the sum. So AB and BC we consider first. AB plus BC. These sums must be greater than the third side. What is the third side here? CA. So AB and BC, the sum of the any two sides, the sum is greater than the third side. When you are considering AB and BC, if you are considering BC and CA, this is first case. Second case, so when you are considering BC and CA, the sum of BC and CA is must be greater than the, when you are considering these two sides, what is the third side? Yes, AB. So AB and BC is, sum of the AB and BC is greater than CA. The sum of BC and CA is greater than the AB. In the third case, this one and this one, first and last one. So AB plus CA. So the sum of the AB and CA is must be greater than BC. So these are the three conditions. This is the statement of the theorem number 3. What it says, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is must be greater than the third side of a triangle. For example, I will give one example. See, in that A, B and C. So BC is 10 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter. So I will give one of the example. Okay. In that, so these conditions is apply or not? Can we check it? Okay. Yes. Shall we check? So first, AB how much? AB is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 10 centimeter and AC is equal to, or CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. In that 5, 10 and 6. So first you have to consider this and this. Okay. 5 plus 10. AB and BC, correct? So first you have to consider the AB and BC. So this sum is must be greater than the third side. What is the third side? 6. Is it or not? So 10 plus 5 how much? 15. So 15 is greater than 6. This condition is applied. It's satisfied. Among these conditions, among these three conditions, it's satisfied. All three conditions it's satisfied. If there any one of the conditions is not satisfied, this is not a form of a triangle, or these are the sides. These are not a sides of triangle. Okay. See, first condition is satisfied. Second condition, I will come to the second condition. You have to consider second 10 and 6. So sum it become 10 plus 6 is greater than. If you are considering 10 and 6, so what is the third side? 5. So 10 plus 6 how much? 16 is greater than 5. 16 is greater than 5 or not? Yes. This condition is also satisfied. So come to the third one. So third one is 5 and 6 you should consider it. 5 plus 6 is must be greater than the third side is what? 10 is the third side. So the sum is become 11 is must be greater than 10. So third condition is also satisfied. So among these conditions, three conditions, all the three conditions is satisfied. Therefore 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter are the sides of a triangle. It form a triangle. Suppose any one of the conditions is not satisfied. Another example I will consider it. See, so AB is equal to 15 centimeter and BC is equal to 4 centimeter and AC is equal to 3 centimeter. Anyone is there. Okay. So is it or these are the sides of a triangle or not, or these sides it form a triangles or not? Let us check it. So these conditions you have to apply here. Okay. See, first AB how much? 15 centimeter and 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter is there. First you have to consider first and second. So 15 plus 4 is must be greater than, what is the third side? Yes, 3. So it implies 15 plus 4, 19 is must be greater than the 3. So first condition is satisfied. In that next second condition, come to the second condition, 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is must be greater than 15. This implies 4 plus 3 how much? 7. 7 is greater than 15. Is it greater than 15? No, it is not greater than 15. Therefore, conditions is not satisfied. Second condition is not satisfied. Shall we get third condition? 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is must be greater than 4. So it is implies 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 is greater than 4. This is satisfied. Among these three conditions, so one condition is not satisfied. If therefore 15 and 4 and 3, these are the not a sides of a triangle, or it cannot form a triangle along these sides of a triangle. Understand, students? This is the statement of the theorem number 3. So this is the inequalities in a triangles theorems. These are the theorems of inequalities of triangles. Okay. So next I will go to the directly question number, sorry, exercise 5.4. So these concepts is this is the last concept of in your textbook, in your chapter. Okay, this is the last concept of this chapter. That is what? Triangle concept. The triangle chapter is there now. So in that chapter, this is the last concept. So in that exercise 5.4, I will show the two questions. Okay, remaining questions you have to solve in your room. Okay, question number 1. Show that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. We know that in a right angle triangle, the longest side is what? Hypotenuse. That is the longest. We want to prove it. The hypotenuse is the longest side. See, I will draw the diagram. What? A, B and C is one of the right angle triangle at B. So I will write given what? In triangle ABC is a right triangle at B. Right angle at B. Then to prove, what we have to prove it? AC is a longest side. AC is longest side. AC is the hypotenuse, correct? Therefore, AC is the longest side. Longest side in a triangle, in a right triangle. In a given triangle, in a triangle, in a triangle. AC is the longest side in a triangle. So now, proof. And also angle B is equal to 90 degree here. Correct? Angle B is a 90 degree. You have to write the given. So now, proof. Come to the proof. So what they are given? Angle B is 90 degree. They are given. This is the 90 degree. What is the sum of the interior angle of a triangle? Yes, 180 degree. The sum it become 180. Correct? Sum it become 180. So one angle is 90 degree. Already 90 degree. What is the remaining angle? Angle A and angle A and angle C. Correct? Already one angle already 90 degree. So the sum will become 180 degree. The three angle sum is become 180 degree. Already one angle is already 90 degree. What is the remaining angle? Angle A and angle C. What is the sum of these angles? Yes, exactly 90 degree. Because already one angle already 90 degree. So remaining two angles, if you are adding the two angles, it become on to 90 degree. Because already one angle will become 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. The sum will become 90 degree. 90 plus 90, 180. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? Correct. So, for example, see students, angle A is 50 degree, angle C is 40 degree. Suppose, in case, angle B already how much? Angle B already 90 degree. Correct. So, the sum of the angle A and angle C become 90 degree. We know that because in the sum of the interior angle of a triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Suppose angle A and angle C is suppose 50 and 40 if I take this. So this angle is less than angle B or angle B is greater than angle A. This angle is always greater than the remaining two angles. Correct? Angle B is greater than angle A and also angle B is greater than angle C. This is 90 degree, this is 50 degree. Which angle is greater? Angle B is greater. So you should compare angle C and angle B. Angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 40 degree. Which angle is greater? Angle B is greater than angle C. That's why I will write now angle A is less than angle B. So this is 90 degree. Otherwise, angle A plus angle C is equal to what is the 90 degree? Angle B. This is angle B. Correct? So angle B is greater than angle A and angle B also greater than angle C. Correct? So angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is also greater than angle C. Got it? See students, angle B, this angle is greater than angle C and also angle A. So what is the opposite opposite sides of angle B? Opposite sides of angle B. What is that? AC. So AC is greater than opposite angle of A. What is the opposite sides of angle A? Angle A is there. What is the side? BC. So AC is greater than BC. Can I write? So theorem according to the theorem number 1. Correct? Next, angle B opposite. What is the angle opposite angle of B? AC is greater than opposite sides of angle C. Angle C opposite sides is AB. AB. See students, you have to observe it. AC, this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, you have to consider it. From 1 and 2, what is that? AC, this side is greater than AB and also greater than BC. AC is greater than BC and AC is also greater than AB. So therefore, AC BC longer ಇದೆ, AB ಗಿಂತನೂ longer ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ AC ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, AC is the longest side. Therefore, AC is a longest side. Longest side in a triangle. Understand? So this is the proof. Okay, very simple. These concepts I will apply I am using the theorem number 1, inequalities in a triangle. In that theorem number 1 I am using here. Okay students, next I will come to the next question number. Second, as it is there, you have to do in your own. I will go to the question number 3. What is the question number 3? Angle B is less than angle A, angle C is less than angle B, show that AD is less than BC. Okay, I will draw one of the diagram. This is A, this is B. Okay, not like that. Yes. And then AB, this is C, sorry, this is A, this is B. Okay, now this is C and this is D and this is O. Yes, friends. Angle B is greater than angle A. See, angle B greater, not less than. Sorry. Angle B is less than angle A. This is smaller than angle A. Angle A is a greater, angle B is smaller. Okay. Next, angle C and angle D. Angle C and angle D. Right? So, angle C is less than angle D. Angle C is less than angle D. Angle C is less than angle D. So, D is a greater and C is a small. Okay. Yes. Next, students. So, in that diagram, it become wrong. See, angle C is, they are given angle C is less than angle D. So angle C is only smaller. Correct? Angle C is smaller. Therefore, if angle C is smaller, angle D is greater. So this angle is greater than angle C. Okay. So next, I want to show that AD is greater than BC. AD is less than, sorry, AD is less than BC. Okay, so BC side is greater than AD, or AD is less than BC. BC ne longer side anta ನಾವು show ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ AD ನ smaller side anta show ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, let us prove it. So first of all, I'll write the given. In that, what is that given? Angle B is less than angle A. Angle B is less than angle A. Correct? Angle B is less than angle A, and angle C is less than angle B. Angle C is less than angle B. Angle B is less than angle A. Next to prove. What we have to prove it? Yes, AD is less than BC. AD is less than BC. Okay. So let me prove it. So what is that? Proof. In that, I will consider first triangle. In triangle AOB, I will consider first triangle AOB. In that, see, in that angle B is less than angle A. Correct? In triangle AOB, in that angle B is less than angle A. Correct? So we have to apply the theorem number 2. Correct? What is the theorem number 2? If any triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is a longer side. Correct? So among these angles, which angle is a smaller? Angle B is a smaller than angle A. So the opposite sides is also the smaller angle is angle B. The opposite sides is also smaller. The angle B is a smaller. Therefore, opposite sides is AO. Therefore, AO is also less than. Angle A is greater. Angle A is greater. Opposite sides is BO or OB. Correct? So therefore, here AO is less than OB according to theorem number 1. So this is equation number 1. Next, in triangle, second one, COD. In that angle C is less than angle D. Correct? Angle C is less than angle D. In that, again apply the theorem number 2. Side opposite to equal sides. Side opposite to longer side is larger side is longer. Okay, we have to write here. That statement we want to write here. Okay, here also angle C opposite side is OD. So therefore OD is less than angle D opposite. Angle D opposite is OC. OD is less than OC. Correct number 2. So this is also theorem number 2. This is also theorem number 1. Okay, I am using the theorem number. So this is theorem number 2. I am using theorem number 2, and here also theorem number 2. So next, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. We should add it. So what is that? AO and OD. AO and OD. So we should add it. AO plus OD. Correct? In that LHS AO, and here LHS is OD. AO plus OD. And then OB plus OC is greater than OB plus OC. So AO plus OD. AO plus OD. What did it get? AD. Correct? AD is greater than OB plus OC. What will you get? OB plus OC. What will you get? BC. So therefore, AD is greater than BC. Hence the proof. It's a very simple proving. Understand? So remaining 2 or 3 questions are there in your textbook. So you have to solve in your own. Okay, students? Okay. Today it finished the triangle chapter. We have to discuss the next classes. The new lesson we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay, students? Thank you.